Do you know the key to success? It's not talent, it's not luck, even it's not motivation. It's quite simple. Start with consistency. I'm not millionaire, I'm not famous, I'm just starting. One video, one idea, one day at a time. I spend more time watching other lives than building me, but today that changes. Not because I feel ready, but because I'm done waiting for perfect. I will mess up, I will make cringy content. No one might watch at first, but the point isn't perfection. It's showing up over and over and over. Consistency builds discipline, and discipline builds momentum. And momentum, it changes everything. Even if no one claps today, I will keep going. It's proof that I'm becoming the person I promised myself it would be. I'm not chasing overnight success, I'm chasing the growth. And the secret to growth, it's not going viral. It's showing up, especially when no one watching. So if you are just starting like me, don't overthink it. Don't wait for motivation and don't wait for perfect. Just be consistent. Because one day you will look back and realize that's when everything started.